I know that you usually throw away the avocado seeds while you consume only the flesh. Yes, I do that also until I discovered that I was literally throwing away the most powerful hair growth ingredients given by nature. I mean exactly what I said. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can utilize the nutrients in these wonderful seeds for your natural hair growth journey. Hi, if you are new here, you are highly welcomed. If you are an OG, thank you so much for clicking in. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Click on the bell button so that you always receive notification each time we drop a new video. I drop a new video rather. So in this video, you only need a ripe avocado pear. I said ripe avocado because you are not going to waste the butter. Of course, you have to consume that. So mine is very ripe and soft and yummy, so I just cut it open and took out the seed, which I'll be using in this particular recipe. Yes, we are using the seed and not the butter. Avocado seeds are not just waste, they are nutrient-dense powerhouse containing over 70% of the avocado's total antioxidant capacity. Did you hear that? Along with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. And this nutrient directly supports scalp health and hair strength. This is superb. In this recipe, you don't need to dry it. All you have to do is just to grate it or you chop it. Anyhow you want to do it, just do it instead of using it whole. And make sure you take out the brown skin before you do anything, just as I also did. Avocado seeds are packed with polyphenols and flavonoids that protect hair follicles from oxidative stress caused by UV rays and pollution. This helps prevent premature aging of the hair and reduce follicle damage that can lead to hair thinning. The skin of my avocado seed looked dried, unlike when I took it out from the fruits. Yes, because I wasn't able to continue the video then, so I had to shoot this part hours after I consumed the fruit. But that does not matter at all. You can use yours immediately you take it out, or you can even use it 1 week later or even 1 month later, as long as it's still fresh and not decaying or going bad. You can use it anytime you want. Okay, it doesn't mean that you are going to take it out immediately and start using it or anything. Before I continue to tell you all the goodies that you'll be getting from this wonderful seed, I want to use this opportunity to thank you, to appreciate you for your show of love in my previous videos. Like, I decided to try my best to take YouTube serious this year, and it's been amazing. Your support is so encouraging, and it will be bad of me if I pretend as if I'm not seeing that, even though we are not yet there, but I believe with this we are getting there. So if you have been watching and you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe now, and also like this video at this point. Okay, I want to remind you, click that like button. Yes, thank you for clicking on it. So if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will not miss it. You will not wait for algorithm to bring it to you, like you will get it instanta. Avocado seeds also contain amino acids, which is a building block of keratin, which is the protein that makes up the hair. It is very rich in amino acid, which also helps strengthen the hair shaft and reduce brittle breakage. Do you also know that avocado seeds also contains fatty acids like oleic acid and linoleic acid, which are very good fats that deeply moisturizes both the hair and the scalp. And these two acids works by coating the hair strands to lock in moisture, which soothes the cuticles to reduce frizz and add natural vibrant shine to the hair. So after cutting it into pieces, I washed it and added it into my pot with 1 cup of water and boiled it for like 10 minutes. And I brought it down and allowed it to cool. You can as well not wash yours if you washed it before cutting or before grating. Okay, I washed mine because I didn't wash it before chopping it. Now the water is totally cool and you can see how the color is, and trust me, the seeds feels like something that you can just chew on because it feels soft, very soft. You can even blend this and use it as hair mask. I just feel so. This golden liquid from this wonderful avocado seeds has vitamin A, B, C, and E. The vitamin E helps to improve scalp circulation and repair damaged tissues, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. The vitamin B, like the B6 and folates in it, supports protein metabolism and cell regeneration, which are essential for maintaining the normal hair growth cycle. Now, when I told you at the beginning that this seeds is packed with nutrients, you thought I was joking, right? Let me shock you again. I don't know if you know that this avocado seed also contains minerals like potassium and magnesium that help seal the hair cuticles, preventing moisture loss and making hair feel softer and more manageable. And you see the pattern that I'm using to apply this on my hair. Like, it feels good. I am so glad that I use this pattern. Left my spray bottle alone and decided to use cotton wool so that I will make sure that everything seeps into my scalp and every hair strands. You see, you don't have any excuse to give. Not that you don't have spray bottle, you can use cotton wool. And if you don't have cotton wool, you can just pour it over your head and massage it very well. In case you have been watching and you have not liked this particular video, please do well to like it. And also check if you have subscribed to this channel. If you have not subscribed though, you'll be missing a lot. Do well to subscribe, unless if you don't want to grow your hair with me. And I don't know if I have told you that these seeds have natural tannins and phytosterols, because these two particular compounds have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which is effective at soothing an itchy and irritated scalp, which can also help to control dandruff. All I have been trying to make you understand is that avocado seeds is packed with powerful nutrients that will help to reinforce the hair shaft, preventing breakage, moisturize dry scalp, reduce dandruff and flaking, reduce inflammation, create a healthy environment for hair follicles, improve shine and luster, and at the end, give you a smoother, less frizzy, healthy looking natural hair. Whether you are using a spray bottle or using a cotton wool like me, just make sure that you properly, generously apply it on your scalp and all your hair strand. If your hair is not in protective style, but if it's in protective style, it will make everything easy for you. Then I applied my Vaseline, which helps to seal in the moisture so that it will not escape. It will stay there and do its work. Yeah, if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Please do well to like this video. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye.